Enjoy the view of this 2021 BMW 325i. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The 3 Series sedan delivers a unique blend of powerful performance, agile handling, and intelligent style. No wonder it's considered a legend among sports sedans. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Experience the excitement of driving an iconic sports sedan. Get behind the wheel of the 3 Series.